SiteGround WordPress Hosting Review, Usage Experience. Links to SiteGround WordPress hosting are in the description below. SiteGround is widely recognized for its premium WordPress hosting services that cater to both beginners and advanced users. Whether you're launching a personal blog, a small business website, or an e-commerce store, SiteGround provides optimized hosting solutions that ensure high performance, speed, and security. One of SiteGround's strongest selling points is its managed WordPress hosting, which includes automatic updates, daily backups, and enhanced security features. Their SSD storage ensures fast load times, which is crucial for WordPress websites. The platform also offers free CDN and SSL certificates, further boosting your website's performance and trustworthiness. SiteGround's customer support is another highlight. With 24/7 live chat and phone support, they make sure that any issues are resolved quickly, whether it's related to WordPress setup, theme customization, or troubleshooting. They also provide WordPress-specific knowledge bases and tutorials, making it easier for users to manage their sites. For developers, SiteGround offers advanced features like staging environments, WP CLI, and SSH access, allowing for smooth site management and deployment. Their cPanel interface is user-friendly, and the integration with Git is perfect for version control. SiteGround also excels in scalability. As your website grows, you can easily upgrade to more powerful plans, including cloud hosting or dedicated servers, without worrying about performance degradation. Their Google Cloud infrastructure ensures that your website can handle traffic spikes with ease. In summary, SiteGround WordPress hosting is a top-tier choice for anyone serious about WordPress. With its combination of excellent customer support, powerful features, and optimized performance, it's perfect for bloggers, businesses, and developers looking for a reliable, high-performance hosting solution. If you want hassle-free WordPress hosting with great scalability, SiteGround is a great option.